So here we have another unboxing of another product by Baseus. This is the Baseus Gamo motion sensing SW vibrating gamepad somatosensory vibration free control. Comes in a nice box. Got a little beat up during shipping, but otherwise it looks not too bad. Would look good in a retail store, and then you can see a picture of how it's meant to be used, I suppose. Some of the specs on the back. This is the model GS01. I believe it's the only one they make, only type of product like this they make. Battery capacity 550 milliamp. Well, there's the dog. So it's a small battery, not too uncommon with these sort of devices. Input is Type-C, which is nice to see. Charges at just about half an amp, so pretty normal stuff there. So we'll go ahead and unbox it. That side. That side. All there, open, put the knife away. It's in there pretty tight. Oh, that's why. I need to unstick these two. It's more of a cardboard sleeve, so those two sticky bits come out, and there it slides out much nicer. So another box inside. There we have it. Oh, I think it's just got these two clear plastic inserts. There she comes. So it doesn't appear to me much in there. You've got the gamepad itself, which looks well, like it does on the box, I guess. Clear plastic. A cable, USB Type-C cable, with a USB Type-A connector on the other side. So it should be compatible with most PCs and other devices. You have a, what is this? Oh yes, it's just a standard warranty type thing, and a little thank you card. And then you have the actual manual. Okay, there's English on the back with some instructions on how to install the software. So just put that to the side. So here we have the actual controller. Fairly standardized design, I'm guessing, these days. Sort of based on like an Xbox, PlayStation hybrid. Feels good in the hand. Clear plastic's very nice. There's your USB Type-C controller. You can see the vibration motors, which is interesting. There and there. And yep, looks good. QC pass sticker. Might take that off later. Pretty solid construction actually. Feels really nice. Trigger buttons there. Just a very conventional sort of layout. Maybe a few extra buttons here in the center, but otherwise very standard. And yeah, it feels good in the hand. Well built construction. Doesn't feel cheap at all. I'll leave it at that.